Hello and welcome yet again to another video. We are going to try to learn the Tamazight alphabet by learning and memorizing the Tamazight alphabet letter for letter, word for word, and never ever give up because we know in fact that we are going to repeat it if we're going to learn about these very complicated letters. Let's face it, it's not gonna be easy. I know, but I guess that's a part of learning new things, and I mean that's okay, I guess. However, we are going to do something very beautiful for this video. I'm sorry, I can't stop laughing because never mind me. However, we are going to share this video, like this video, subscribe it, and do these wonderful things for this video because we really want to know that how many people are interested in Tifnach. If they even know or even heard of this language, these letters, this alphabet, it's amazing because it is very unique. Let's face it, it is unique. It is, in a matter of fact, it is the oldest alphabet in the world. And without any further interruption, let's start. Ya, A, Ya. So everything begins with Ya, Yab, B, Yab. Fricative means that you are slightly changing the vocabularies of the words that you're saying. Like yob, yob. Notice that the previous B was yeb, yeb. The B are not changed. G, yug, yug. G, yog, yog. J, yudge, yudge, yudge. J, yudge, yudge. D, yud, yud, yud. The, yudh, yudh, yudh. The, yodh. It's a difference between yudh and yodh. That's the tiny bit I'm gonna explain later. E, yay, yay. F, yaf, yaf. K, yak, yak. Fricative K, yok, yok. Yak with the valorisation mark becomes yok. H, yeah, yeah. H, yeah, yeah. H with a fricative sound. Yah, yah. Ah, ya, ya. Cha, yacha, yacha. Q, yokka, yokka. Yeah, it's not quite Q, but it's like qa, qa, yokka. Fricative sound. I, ye, ye. J, yaj, yaj. L, yal, yal. M, yam, yam. N, yan, yan. P, yap, yap. U, yo, yo. R, yer, yer. R, again with a fricative sound. Yor, yor. R, yer, yer. Try to say R. If you can do that, you pretty much nailed it. S, yes, yes. S, jos, jos. Sh, yosh, yosh. T, yet, yet. T, yat, yat. It's a T with a fricative sound. Ch, yuch, yuch. Ta, yot, yot. V, yov, yov. W, yo, yo. Y, yay, yay. Z, yes, yes. Z, yoz, yoz. This mark right up here, the valorization mark. The valorization mark is a secondary articulation of consonants, by which the back of the tongue is raised toward the velum during the articulation of the consonant. Just like I said before, for example, this letter is yak. If you add a valorization mark, it becomes yok. Just like this letter yok. This is the original letter yok, but you can also add a valorization mark into yak, so it becomes yok instead. So those letters are the same.